Read English newspaper. Resident doctors in Bengal to return to work today. Protesting resident doctors in West Bengal will call off their 42-day cease work and join emergency services in the state-run health facilities from Saturday. This follows a general body meeting of resident doctors of all the state-run hospitals in which it was decided that the doctors would carry on their protest demanding justice for their 31-year-old colleague who was found raped and murdered at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital on August 9. The doctors are also decided to run Abhay clinics in memory of their murdered colleague in flood-hit areas of the state. The decision by the protesting doctors to call off the cease work came hours after the West Bengal government issued a list of directives for ensuring safety, security, and efficient functioning of all health care professionals in the state. One of the key demands of the doctors on Friday under the banner of the West Bengal Junior Doctors Front, the doctors took out a procession from Swasthya Bhavan to the central government officials' complex where the office of the Central Bureau of Investigation is located to demand justice for their murdered colleague. We have been raising the demand of safety and security in the state-run hospitals because we did not want another incident to occur like the one that happened to Abhya. Our demands are not for a union or organization. What happened to her was an institutional murder, said Aniket Mahato, one of the representatives of the West Bengal Junior Doctors Front, referring to the ongoing flood situation in the state. Mahato said doctors would resume emergency services from Saturday. The doctors said Abhya clinics for flood affected people would be set up. We want to remind the government that our fight will go on till the safety and security reforms are completely ensured. The government should not think that the movement has stopped, he said. The development comes a day after doctors under the banner of the West Bengal Junior Doctors Front met the state's Chief Secretary Manoj Pant in a letter addressed to the Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Narayan Swarup Nigam. Pant highlighted 10 directives for safety and security of healthcare professionals, which include deployment of adequate number of police security personnel along with female police security personnel in every healthcare facility in consultation with the Home Department. The communication also pointed out that the state government has appointed former Director General of Police Surjit Kaur Purkyastha to conduct security audits of all medical colleges and hospitals. The government has also suggested that a centralized helpline number as well as panic call button alarm system should also be made available in every healthcare facility. The state has directed that immediate steps should be taken for filling up vacant posts of doctors, nurses, and technicians. Thank you guys for watching.